Hey, guess what? You can get the Blindshell Classic II in both red and black from AT Guys. Check out atguys.com/blindshell. And also check out the accessories that we have available, like a spare battery or the Blindshell beeps. We've got all 4 cases available as well. So check out atguys.com/blindshell for more information. This is the Shell Phone Show, showing you how to do something on the Blindshell Classic II. Thanks to Club Unmute, unmute.show. Today we're going to set up the Blindshell Classic II's email client, so I'll hit OK on communications.
Email, 1 of 3.
Hit OK on email.
New account. Email address.
And then we're asked to enter our email address. So I'll type in my email address. To get the @, press and hold the pound key.
Special characters. 1 of 2.
Press OK on special characters.
Period. 1 of 32. Right for @ 10 of 32.
Choose the 10th one down.
@
And then put in the
PA,
domain.
Period. DE. Loading.
Hit OK. And once you've done that, hit OK. Press the OK button again.
Sender name.
To enter the sender name, and I'll press and hold the side button and say Michael Babcock.
Michael Babcock.
Press OK to end the dictation, and again to close the edit field.
Sender name. Michael Babcock.
And then
1
I'm
of
going to
2.
press down.
Save. 2 of 2.
Press OK.
Loading page.
And now we'll be told loading page. Once this page loads, tap number 3 for
Controls.
and then down arrow to the button next button.
Text in. Push button forgot email. Privacy policy. Push button next.
Press OK.
Clicking next.
And then on this page, we can enter the password. So we'll press down arrow.
Password text. Enter your password.
Press OK.
Text.
And then enter the password that you have for your Gmail account.
2. 1 capital B. 2. D. F. 7. T. B. 8. B. C. 3.
Press
Keyboard
the
hidden.
OK button to hide the keyboard and then down arrow to the button next option.
Privacy policy. Push button next.
Use your next button to locate push button next. I had to press next a few times before it responded to me, so I'll press OK.
Clicking next.
Once you've done this, you are put on a page asking for permission to allow Mozilla Thunderbird to have access to your Gmail account. Thunderbird is the tool used for the email client on the Blindshell, so I will hit number 3 to go to controls.
Controls.
And then down arrow.
Push button. Learn more. Privacy. Google. Learn about. Push button cancel. Push button continue.
Locate push button continue and press OK.
Loading page. Loading. New email. 1 of 65.
And once you have new email here and it says 1 of 65, yours probably won't say 1 of 65, but that tells you that you are signed into your email account and you can go review the content that's published online about navigating and using the email client. Thanks for listening to today's Shell Phone Show. We hope you'll catch us back next time to learn something about the Blindshell Classic II. Did you know you can get more helpful content like this? Visit unmute.show for podcast contents and to learn about Club Unmute. Thanks to Andre Louis and his shorts collection for the music used in this content.